Look around you, at work, at traffic lights, at the people sitting next to you. Everyone looks similar. Same routines, same schedules, same conversations, but they're not living the same life. The difference isn't effort, it's salary. This is your life at every salary level. Level 1, $35,000. You graduated 8 months ago. 200 job applications, 9 replies, 1 offer, 35,000 a year. Austin, Texas. You do the math in bed. 35,000 divided by 12. After taxes, about $2,300 a month. Rent, $1,450. Loans, $287. Leaves $563 for everything: food, gas, insurance, phone. And one streaming service you refuse to cancel. You've tried everything with ramen, egg, sriracha, green onions. Still tastes like ramen. Parents call Sunday, ask how adulting is going. You say it's good, you are not good, but you show up Monday anyway. Level 2, $60,000. 2 years later, you switch jobs. Did what articles said. Leverage, move, negotiate, 60,000. Benefits, 401k match. Unlimited PTO you'll never use. Own apartment, 550 square feet. 3rd floor, no elevator, 1 window facing a building. You call it cozy, it's not, but it's yours. Start saving, $200 a month, automatic. Feel responsible. Then transmission dies. Rush hour, $2,200. Almost a year of savings. Gone in an afternoon. You tell yourself it's temporary. You realize you're stable until you're not. Level 3, $100,000. 6 figures, the number. Waited for promotion, got 3%. Left. Same work, different company. 100,000. Upgrade apartment, 1 bedroom, Nashville. Buy couch from actual store. Not Facebook, not Cousins. Real store. Go to Whole Foods now, not for groceries, for vibe. $14 smoothie. Investment in health, open investment account, index funds, ETFs. Net worth goes up. First time. Buy used BMW. Nothing crazy. But when you pull into parking garage, you feel something new. Not rich, just not scared. That feeling's called breathing. Level 4, $180,000, 180, top 10%. You look that up, check pay stub, taxes, insurance, retirement, mortgage, 2 car payments, daycare, groceries, subscriptions, you forgot, run numbers, end of month, $400 left. On 180, $400. Don't tell anyone, not friends, not parents. They think you're rich. This is lifestyle creep. Moves quiet, moves quick. Most notice after it's taken over. Level 5, $300,000. 300,000 VP, director, doctor. Something that sounds important at dinner. Have financial advisor. Name's Brad. Brad plays golf Fridays. Drives G-Wagon. Calls you by first name. Slightly too familiar. Pay Brad 1%. Beginning to wonder about Brad, but Brad helped you understand. Money's working for you, not other way. Investments grow, accounts compound, machine runs. You're no longer pushing. Level 6, $600,000. 600,000. Buy the house, not a house. The house, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, big backyard, nice neighborhood. HOA. They email about trash cans. Attend meeting, speak calmly, lose, monthly expenses massive, mortgage, private school, vacations, investments, burn rate enormous. Need this salary now, not want, need. Wonder sometimes, maybe made it. Not sure what making it was supposed to feel like. 7 o'clock to 7:45. Well, level 7. $1 million plus 1 million. 7 figures. Stop talking about money. Not humble, just not the metric. Talk equity, ownership, investments. Have people now, accountant, lawyer, assistant, haven't pumped gas in years. Not decision, just stopped happening. Biggest concern, children. How teach value when they never struggled. Final truth, every level believes next level's peace. 35 believes 60's peace. 60 believes 100's peace. 100 believes 180's peace. 180 believes 300's peace. 300 believes 600's peace. 600 believes a million's peace. Nobody reaches peace. They reach more expensive version of same 3 a.m. staring at ceiling. Different numbers, same ceiling. Salary changed. Anxiety didn't